DirectX is an application important for 3D rendering, but sometimes it has issues getting itself set up on Windows. So if you're facing this error, as a first fix, make sure to sign in to your Windows Administrator account. To ensure that, go to Settings, select Account, and make sure you're using your admin account to download the files. Additionally, ensure you're connected to the internet. To confirm that, go to your preferred web browser and then search for anything. Now if the search process goes successfully and search results appear, your device is most likely connected to the internet. Moreover, disable and re-enable your network connection. Do that by opening Settings, go to Network and Internet tab, go to Advanced Network Settings, click the Disable option next to internet connection you are using, and once you have disabled it, let it sit for 30 seconds, then click Enable again to enable the internet connection again. So those are the following fixes in this DirectX error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.